Hello everyone. To mitigate such risks, implementing a checklist-driven approach to verification is essential for high-stakes AI output. This ensures that every crucial piece of information is rigorously checked. The first step is context confirmation. Verify that the AI actually understood the specific goal and tone of your prompt. Next is citation tracing. Click every provided reference link to view the exact paragraph the AI used to generate its claim. Then, Nuance Cross-Referencing involves reading the source text to ensure the AI did not miss critical if-then conditions or exceptions, just like Robert discovered with the SLA penalties. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, final human approval. Take personal accountability for the accuracy of the data before forwarding or presenting it. This systematic approach ensures accuracy and reliability. Now, let's delve deeper into executing effective citation checks, the most direct method to combat AI fabrications and ensure data accuracy. When Microsoft 365 Copilot generates a response based on internal work files or external web data, it doesn't expect you to blindly trust its output. To facilitate mandatory verification, Copilot includes built-in references known as citations. Much like an academic paper, when Copilot makes a specific factual claim, quotes a figure, or summarizes a complex paragraph, it appends a small bracketed number, such as 1 or 2, immediately following the relevant text. These are not merely decorative, they are functional hyperlinks pointing directly to the exact source material the AI utilized. Understanding these citations is the first step toward verifying AI outputs effectively. Executing a citation check is a straightforward process, but it requires discipline. When you receive a drafted summary or a factual answer from Copilot, you must locate these bracketed numbers. Hovering over or clicking the citation number will typically display a preview card showing the name of the source file, for example, q3_financial_review.xlsx, and a brief snippet of the original text. Clicking the card will open the actual source document, often navigating you directly to the relevant section. Once the source document is open, the true verification work begins. You are not just checking if the document exists, you must evaluate the AI's interpretation of that document. Ask yourself, did the AI quote the number correctly? Did it understand the context? If the AI missed a conditional if-then nuance, the generated summary is factually flawed and must be corrected. Beyond verifying the AI's reading comprehension, a citation check allows you to evaluate the credibility of the source itself. Copilot searches your accessible Microsoft Graph, and sometimes it might answer a question by citing a draft document created by an intern, rather than the finalized, approved policy document created by a director. By checking the citation, you can quickly identify if the AI pulled information from an outdated or unreliable source. If it did, you must refine your prompt to explicitly exclude the draft document and force the AI to use the finalized version. This critical step ensures that your business decisions are based on the most current, authoritative, and accurate information available, preventing the perpetuation of outdated or unapproved data. Let's look at a simulated Copilot UI example to clarify. Imagine Copilot outputs. Based on recent procurement files, the new vendor SLA mandates a strict 99.9% uptime for all cloud services. 1. Failure to meet this metric results in a 5% reduction in the monthly licensing fee. 2. As a user, you click 1 and it opens, vendor contract final.pdf, which you verify as the correct source. However, when you click 2, it opens draft negotiation notes.docx, which you identify as an incorrect, outdated source. The correction needed is clear. You must discard the 5% penalty claim because it was sourced from unapproved draft notes, not the final contract. For the AB-730 exam, remember that validating clickable reference numbers, or citations, against the original source documents to ensure the AI did not misinterpret the data is a core, testable competency. Finally, we arrive at the overarching principle for all AI-assisted work, the mandate for human review. Microsoft explicitly names its tool Copilot to reinforce this concept. Just as a Copilot assists, but the captain is ultimately responsible for flight safety, AI in the enterprise assists the human professional, not replaces their judgment. When using generative AI, the AI does not assume ownership of the output. If a Copilot-generated email offends a client or a report contains an error, the organization holds the human employee 100% accountable. You cannot use "the AI made a mistake" as a professional defense. Therefore, human review is not optional. It is a strict operational mandate. Before any AI-generated content is finalized, published, sent, or acted upon, the professional must read it in its entirety, applying domain expertise, corporate culture understanding, and emotional intelligence, elements the AI inherently lacks. This personal accountability is non-negotiable. To effectively fulfill this mandate, you must balance speed with quality. Copilot's goal is to accelerate the creation of the first draft, but the time saved must be reallocated to rigorous reviewing. The new workflow is prompt, generate, verify, edit, then send. While Copilot rapidly synthesizes data, the human professional defines the goal, monitors output, executes mandatory citation checks, edits for nuance, and takes absolute accountability for the final deliverable. Remember the key takeaways from this chapter. Copilot strictly adheres to existing Microsoft 365 permissions and sensitivity labels, ensuring data security. It cannot override access. However, secure data retrieval doesn't guarantee factual accuracy. Therefore, systematic verification, especially through citation checks, is crucial to catch nuances or misinterpretations. You, the human user, are 100% accountable for the final quality and compliance.